Established over 100 years ago in Japan, the Baroness brand of equipment is no stranger to the turf maintenance scene. Kubota Tractor Australia saw a need in the market for Baroness range of specialized turf care equipment and signed up to distribute the brand in Australia a couple of years ago. The latest addition to Baroness offering in Australia is the 5-unit rotary mower, which was on display at the recent Henty Machinery Field Days.
It's a GM2800B, so this is a wide area contour mower, which has got a 2.8 metre cut on it. 5 individual decks, as you can see, that contour and follow the undulations in the ground. Our largest mower was in the Kubota range prior to having this, which was 72-inch deck, so we're a lot wider cut now. So it gives offering to councils and golf courses, anyone in the turf market that want a wide area mower.
As with other equipment offered by Kubota, the Baroness GM2800B is powered by a Kubota engine with a power output of 56 horsepower. A unique height adjustment system allows the operator to change cutting height within 10 minutes.
One of the key features on it is that your widest point is out front. So you're not looking over your shoulder. A lot of the other ones on the market, you're looking over your shoulder all the time to see where the widest point, which is usually back here. So although we've got a smaller cut, a lot of people that have trialled it and have purchased have said it's a lot more productive because they just look out the front.
A simple set of controls, fully adjustable steering wheel and operator seat, along with a standard canopy, contribute to operator comfort and productivity. Simple service points make maintenance and daily checks a fuss-free affair.
Access is really easy. Bonnets open up either side so you can get good access for servicing and maintenance, and likewise with the back radiator guard to blow it all out, so your daily checks are nice and simple.
Customers can also opt to kit up their machine with extras such as fire extinguishers and LED lights. The mower is priced in the mid-$70,000 range.
Probably a big thing is we've got dealers in place all around the country to back up and support it. Like the rest of the Kubota range, there's a dealer that's not too far away for servicing and the like.